Okay, everything looking good. I always do this. I always feel like Taylor filming this is like, stop messing up your hair. Okay. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, it is an exciting one because as you can see, there is a package right behind me and there is a reason you clicked on this video. It is actually 8:44 p.m. and I'm going to be unboxing my new Apple Watch. The package is right here. I got it from Amazon. Sold and shipped by Amazon, so it is legit, and I'm going to be showing you guys my new Apple Watch. This is the first time I will ever be owning an Apple Watch. I am familiar with Apple products. My friends have the Apple Watch. I've tried on my sister's actually. So this is gonna be my first time actually owning one of my own. That sounded pretty redundant. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this little unboxing video with me for my Apple Watch Series 5. And without further ado, let's get started. So pretty much I had ordered this for a birthday gift. I'm actually gonna be doing a birthday haul soon. I got this Apple Watch on Amazon. It was on sale. Originally, I think it was like $384, $382, somewhere around that, and then they also had a $25 off, which brought it down to $359, but with tax it was $25 tax, so it brought it back up to the $380, which was perfectly fine by me because it normally retails for $399. I got the Apple Watch Series 5. I think it's gold with the pink sports band, the 40mm, if I didn't already say that. So let's take her out of here. Yo, my facial expressions are so funny. I think I want to keep my hair like this. I think it looks cuter like that. Okay. Yo, this thing is heavy. Oh my god. Here she is. Okay, so I'll tell you the
legit name of her.
She is the Apple Watch Series 5 gold aluminum case with the pink sand sport band. So here is what it looks like. Oh my god. So here I have the box. If you want to see it up close, please focus. I don't know if it'll show you. Yeah, you can see it right there. It says Apple Watch, the logo and everything. So here's the beautiful box. Oh my god. Now we're gonna open it. I think actually, is there a tab? Yeah, there is. Okay, so here's the tab right here. We're going to pull this down. It's gonna be nice. Okay, you can't even see my face. Let's do it like this. There we go. Okay. Oh god, that's nice. I'm gonna try and do this in the air for you. We're gonna open it up. Let's hope I don't. Whoa, I started to rip something. That's not good. Oh my god. Where's the other one? I'm struggling. I'm struggling. Oh, am I gonna drop anything? No. Oh wow. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. I've been waiting for this. So obviously the watch is in this top box. Oh my god. Okay, so the watch is in this top box. Right here you can see it just shows you what it looks like. Oh yeah. And then of course, this is my band. Here's my band. Like I said, I just got the pink one. And of course the packaging is beautiful as always because this is Apple. Have you not heard of Apple's packaging? Wow, I definitely wanted to take a picture of this when it was still in the box, but guess who can still take a snap right now? Me, I can. Okay. All right. Now it's time to get into the juicy things of everything. My hands are so dry. I was gonna put on lotion, but I'm not going to because I don't want to ruin anything. Because if I put lotion on my hands and then it gets on there, I'm gonna be so upset. Obviously, we have the watch and the band. So first we're gonna open up the band. Is there a way to open this? Oh, there's another tab. I like how they have these indicators for like how to open stuff up. So like you just rip this across, take that off, and then, what do I open it? Yeah, so like I said, this is the pink sand sport band. So yeah, open it like this, and then it comes out like that. There's a paper underneath, just says watch. We'll just throw that on the ground. And then you open it up. Oh my god. And there they are. Oh my god. Can you guys see? Yes. Beautiful. Oh my god, yes. I've been waiting forever for this. Okay, so I know that this is the connector, the one that has like the little nub right here. This is the part that connects the size that always stays the same. Yeah, that one. And then it comes with two sizes, so you have a large one and a small one, and I have baby hands, baby wrists, whatever you want to call them. So I'm going to be using the small one, so I'll just use these two. And then of course I'll just keep the other one in here. And then of course it comes with instructions on the inside on like how to attach it and all that fun stuff. So that's just what it looks like in the inside. So now, what's my most favorite part ever? Yo, this is unreal. Like when I tell you this is unreal, oh my gosh. I decided to get an Apple Watch, if you're wondering, which I'm sure you're not because you just want me to unbox more things, but you're gonna have to wait. No, I'm just playing. You won't have to wait that long. The reason why I got an Apple Watch primarily is because I used to have a Fitbit and I prefer Fitbit over Apple Watch just for sleeping and for working out, but it died like 3 different times. I have a whole video explaining products that I would never rebuy and Fitbit was one of them. So then finally I decided to get the Apple Watch, but I got it for my birthday because of course the Apple Watch is very expensive compared to the Fitbit. Yeah, that's why I now have the Apple Watch, which we're about to open right now. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh my god, am I gonna do it upside down? How do I know if it's upside down? Yeah, it's gonna be towards me. Okay, you're just gonna have to hate me because I want to be able to look at it. Ready, ready, ready? It'll come off. Hold on. There we go. Okay. I forgot it was covered up in the cloth. For some reason I was expecting it to look at me. You just take this out. This is like the little piece of paper. It just says designed by Apple in California. So you move that out the way so you get another cube. Thank God, because my cube was dying. And I'm so happy this came with the cube because AirPods do not come with the cube. And of course, the iPad does, but like it's humongous. And then right here you just have the connector, you know, to charge it. Oh my god, that's so cool. And then finally, oh my god, this is the best part. This is legit the best part, okay? Oh my god, I'm afraid to even take it out. Okay. So here it is. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Look at her. Okay. Now I have to like somehow slowly get her to come out. Whoa, I don't want to start anything on accident, which I feel like I just did. Oh my god, did I just... No, everything's good. Slowly. I did start it, it's okay. Oh my god! What? Oh my goodness. It looks so pretty. Use the pad to wipe off all the extra dust. Wow. She looks gorgeous. So here's what she's looking like. I already started her. I'm so sorry. Oh, she is beautiful. Look at that. Don't worry, I didn't drop it. That ECG sensor. Is it EKG? I think it's EKG. Just amazing. Look at that. Ignore my disgusting nails, but wow. She is a work of art. So what we are going to do is slip the bands on. Yeah, where are the instructions? Where am I putting these bands? Putting these bands on are so much easier than the Fitbit one, which I already know many people have said before. Like with the Fitbit, it's like this little clasp that you have to hold down and then you like slide it. It's really complicated. But I like how for the Apple Watch, you just literally slide it in. It'll slide. Am I doing this right? Yeah. Oh, that's good. Ooh, fancy. Oh my god. This is crazy. Okay. Whoa. Oh my god. First of all, let me just do it like this. Do you see this? There is an Apple Watch on my wrist, y'all. Okay, let me follow the prompts. Bring iPhone near Apple Watch. Okay. She just looks so beautiful. I feel like it definitely looks big on my wrist, which I'm happy about because I didn't want the screen to be too small. Oh my god, use your iPhone to set this Apple Watch. Okay, continue. So right now I'm just setting it up on my phone. Okay, well now I can finally put lotion on because it's on my wrist. Oh, my Apple Watch is paired. Dang, this is taking a minute to set up. Okay, so we're gonna wait for this to set up. I'm gonna play around with it for a little bit and then I will come back to you guys in a second. Turn her off, what the heck? Oh my god, it's on. Oh my god, look at it. Wait, look at it. Wait, now it turned black. I don't know why it keeps changing. Do you see this? But when I look at it, it's white. Okay, hold on. Can you see it now? It's like, see, and then it turns black. Like, what are you doing? I don't know how this works. Oh my god, it's so cool. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. As of right now, I'm liking how she's looking. Ooh, I can see the weather. This looks cool. Wow, this just, let me see if I can like almost show you guys what I'm looking at. If I can do this as well as I can since I'm like technically behind the camera. So I'm trying to figure out how to use it. Cause like I just don't know, ooh, I don't know what I'm clicking on for the most part. So I see these are my rings down here. I know people always talk about these darn rings. Do I know what the yellow, green, and blue stand for? No, I most certainly do not, and I do not know how to close them. But, oh, it tells me down here. Okay, so we have the red is for moving, just in general. Exercise. Okay, I exercise for like an hour a day for the most part, so that's gonna be easy. And standing. I'm just trying to get to the apps. How do I get to like the overview screen? How do I get to like, where are all my apps? Oh, there we go. There's my rings. Oh, here's the Apple Music. Oh snap. Will it play from here though? Will it play from my watch or play from my phone? Connect Bluetooth headphones to your Apple Watch. Oh, okay, so it has to connect to my AirPods. We have my mail. Wait, what is, oh, my reminders. What is this? Whoops. Ooh, breathe. Turn the crown to change duration. We've got that walkie-talkie thing I know people talk about. What is this? Oh, just maps. Oh, that's cool. And that's find my iPhone. Ooh, people, oh, so you can wear this to sleep because this has an alarm attached to it. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my new watch. This is so super cool, and yeah, this was really fun. Hope you guys like my unboxing videos. I hope I do like a pretty good decent job. I know I'm not all professional with the freaking table in front of me doing it, but I tried my best. If you're debating on getting the Series 5 or the Series 3, if you really want to have a real up-to-date fitness watch, I would say definitely get the Series 5. In terms of like not working out, I guess it just depends on what features you want in each one. I feel like the features were pretty much the same, but this one said that it was like obviously more up to date, faster charging, faster speed, I think. I could be wrong, read other videos, don't base it off my word, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys have a great day, evening, or night, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.